Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making shakshuka, which is eggs poached in a tomato-based stew. The word shakshuka is an Arabic slang and it means a mixture. People have split opinions about where this dish is from. Some say that it came from the Ottoman Empire and others argue that it was originated from Morocco or Yemen. But that's for the food historians to figure out, and I'm just here to show you how to make this delicious brunch dish at home. Here's everything you need, and as always, the list of ingredients and amount will be in the description box below. Let's start by prepping the vegetables. Dice 1 large onion and then cut 1 jalapeno and 2 red bell peppers into small pieces. Jalapeno is very spicy, so if you're not a fan of the heat, feel free to use green bell peppers instead. Set the onions and peppers aside and crush 3 cloves of garlic. Next, heat a skillet on medium heat and drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the diced onions and garlic and saute for 3 to 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent and the edges start to pick up just a little bit of color. Add the peppers to the skillet and continue to saute for 8 minutes. And at around the 4-minute mark, mix in some cumin, smoked paprika, nutmeg, and cayenne pepper. Again, cayenne is really spicy, so feel free to skip it if you don't like the heat. When all the vegetables are softened, pour in 1 can of diced tomato and stir until everything is combined. Season with salt and pepper, cover the pan with a lid, and then turn the heat down to low and let the mixture simmer for 20 minutes. When the timer goes off, use the back of a spoon to make 4 indentations and then drop in 4 eggs. When adding eggs into a simmering stew or batter or dough that's being mixed, always crack the egg into a small bowl first. This way you can easily fish out any eggshell pieces before they get mixed into your food. Put the lid back on and simmer until the eggs reach your desired doneness, and that's it. Garnish with some cilantro. You can either plate your shakshuka or eat directly from the pan like I'm about to. And enjoy! Toast some bread on the side and it's gonna be the best brunch ever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!